welcome back, YouTubers. What we have here is a rigid, heavy-duty 10-inch portable table saw with a stand, model number R4513. Let's get on with opening it, see what's inside. Here's my story on why I purchased this. If you've seen my previous video, I do have a table saw that I inherited. That's not the best in the world. Now with at the time of purchasing this, I got this for $3.99 after tax and everything. Came up to be $4.30. Full retail price on these bad boys are $4.99, I believe, almost $500. Well, $500, yes. So it was a good opportunity to get myself a brand new, nice table saw, just for the next step of woodworking. So, and I think this is the best saw on the market for a weekend warrior, I believe. I didn't want to go too crazy on spending too much money on the DeWalt, the Bosch, the Makita. Just too much money on those. So I think this actually fits the bill. Let's be careful with these things. Now, the reason why I bought this, one of the reasons why I bought this is for the lifetime service with a rigid, so definitely a plus. That boy's massive. This is plastic. It's a lot of plastic. So that's aluminum or some kind of steel. Let's see. All right, open the garage up just a little bit. Wish there was like an orientation on how to properly or safely get this out of the box. Let's do this. All right. Not the best place to do an open box. Garage is full of crap right now, so again, not the best. Alright, got that out. Woohoo, look at that table saw. That's quality right there. I wonder if I can somehow get this out the way. This is a terrible open box video right now. Alright, let's get that out of the way. Alright. So we have that. I don't want to scratch the table saw. So let's just leave it over like that for now. This is all solid steel. Excellent. Build quality so far is excellent. This is steel. Measuring tape does have some play. I guess it does move in and out, which I kind of knew about that, but I'm just a little bit concerned about the longevity of the tape measure itself. So, gotta be very wary of that. Alright, let me start looking at the manuals and attach this bad boy together. Now I don't see a blade. Oh, it does come with a blade. Okay, I see some oil leaking right here. best part of this table saw is everything is aligned. I made 2 separate cuts. Look at that. Perfect, squared, and that's what I paid for. It's great, you know. I never got 2 identical cuts from my old table saw, so this is definitely a big improvement over the previous one I got. So again, the most important part about a table saw is the fence, and that fence is rock solid. So definitely a plus. I'm really happy with my purchase. You know, besides the minor issues as far as the alignment goes, this is a bargain. For at the time of this purchase is May 30th. I bought this. It was $100 off, so $4.99 down to $3.99. It's definitely a bargain, and it's lifetime warranty. You can't beat it. So I mean, I know Rigid doesn't make Pro line series machines like DeWalt does and Milwaukee, but you just can't beat the price. And performance, budget wise, probably the best one, I believe, in my opinion, as far as what's being sold at Home Depot for the price tag that they offer this machine. So definitely a win in my book. So all right.